go live to the trading desk now. Victor Dare awaits us here. Victor, first of all, I just want to remind people, too, that you are also working on Special Olympics over in you've done many things in Vancouver, too, but working in Vancouver Island, you've got a golf tournament there. Is it June 8th for that one?
It's coming up, actually. It's the 9th of June, a Saturday. 9th. It's at the Pheasant Glen Golf Course in Qualicum Beach. And people you just Google Special Olympics Oceanside, which is the name for the communities in this area here, and you'll find a way to get more information about that event. And you could participate as a player, or like you were talking about, people that have stepped up to give auction items, silent auction items, or whatever. And I've had a few of the friends here at the golf course, my guys that I play golf with regularly, who can't come and play, but they've sent checks in because it's just such a good cause.
I'll just remind you to remind me to do that. I'll do that myself, too. Got to help that tournament, too. Hey, Vic, let's start with just get to the bottom line. What are you doing in the markets these days?
Make it really simple. I use futures and options, and sometimes the strategies get a bit complicated, but essentially I'm long the U.S. dollar against both the Canadian and the euro currency. I'm short U.S. stocks and interest rates. In other words, I'm looking for interest rates to rise. Pardon me. And I also am short crude oil.
So you're looking for the stock market to fall, interest rates rise, crude oil to go down, which you must have had a hell of a good day on Thursday, Friday.
Well, the positions got better, and the most important thing to me though is the long the U.S. dollar. And if I could just go to this on my trading desk notes, which will get posted on, I guess, Monday or Tuesday on our website, I talk about the potential existential crisis in Europe because of what's happening in Italy. And let me give you this historical perspective in 15 seconds. For years leading up to the development of the euro and the people using it, the Club Med countries, as we call them, Italy, France, Spain, would devalue their currency so they could remain competitive with Germany. Once they got inside the euro, they couldn't do that anymore, and things got tough. And by things getting tough, the people in Italy have voted in what's now going to be a government that has been openly antagonistic toward Brussels. And the real question, there's stress is already showing up in the market in a number of ways, but the real thing is, what if the stress increases? And what would increase the stress is if the markets begin to believe that Italy is actually going to leave the European Union, get away from using the euro.
I think that's a key point. We'll have to talk more about it in the weeks coming up because, of course, that's another one of our main themes is the demise of the European Union. You should have seen the hate mail I got when I first started talking about that, Vic, but it's obviously that trend is still underway. Victor, you go out and have a terrific weekend. I hope you get a chance to get in the golf course.
I hope I do too, Mike. Thank you.